Okay, I just got the toolbox lid in the mail today. I can see why it cost $14 to ship it. It's got a bunch of stamps on it. Came from Canada. So yeah, show you where it goes before I put it on. It's gonna go right here. Came with like some hinges or something. I don't know if I'm gonna need them. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna unbox them. This ended up costing me $37 off of eBay. This is the only one I could find. Okay, there's the lid, and there's the brackets. Alright, so I just got it on, and it's looking pretty good. The lid is actually an 84, it goes to an 84, 125, and I noticed that thing that hooks onto this was broken, but that's okay, it doesn't flop around very good. It might be my seat. And I ended up not needing the brackets right here. So, if anybody wants the brackets, then just PM me, because I'll just sell them for like $2 or something. I don't really need them. If nobody wants them, and I'll just keep them as like a backup or something. So yeah, I guess I like it. It'll do. Looks like there might have been a label that went right here or something. I'll probably have to look that up. So, everything that was originally on this is now on this. So, yeah, it's looking pretty good.